Assalamu alaikum. सबसे पहले we will select another option and then we'll type our name, whatever your name is. Then you will enter an email address that we are going to configure on a mail. After it, we will enter a password of that particular email address. Then we will set a setting option, IMAP or POP. IMAP, we will select IMAP because on mobile IMAP configuration is recommended. Then we will enter host name. In host name we will enter mail dot whatever is your domain name, you will enter that. If your domain name is cyberdesign.com, then you will enter mail.cyberdesign.com at incoming mail server at host name. Then you will enter your email address that you are going to configure at username section. Then you will enter a password again, the password of your email address. In outgoing mail server at host name we will enter mail.yourdomainname.com. It means mail dot and whatever your domain name is, you will enter that. In username section you will enter an email address again and the password of that email address again. Then we will go next. It will take some time to verify the detail. Verify detail process completed successfully. Our email address is configured, but here are another step we will take. We'll go to the setting, type in search mail, go into the mail section, go into accounts, then go into the email address you just configured, then go into the advanced setting and deactivate the use SSL, and then change the server port to 143. That's it. Then we will click on the done button. Then we will go to the accounts again and then go to the outgoing server SMTP setting. Then we will turn off the SSL here. Then we will change the server port to 587. Click on done. Account verified. That's it. You have successfully configured your email address at by default mail app